Today I'm going to talk about Lotus pose, Padmasana. It's a fairly deep hip opener, and it requires some flexibility in the ankles. One good prep for Lotus is simply Baddha Konasana with the soles of the feet together, knees out to the sides. This will start to open up your hips. And another great prep pose for Lotus is Fire Log, where you take one shin on top of the other, ankles flexed. This will open up the hips as well. To start working on Lotus, go to a cross-legged position. Grab the front foot. Take the outer edge, the pinky toe side, into the hip crease of the other leg. So I'm taking my left foot into my right hip crease. And this is half Lotus, Ardha Padmasana. To take it further, you'll wiggle the bottom foot, my right foot in this case, forward. And allow your left knee to drop forward. You can lean forward as well. You might have to in order to get the full pose. Then you'll grab your right foot. The first time I ever did this, my teacher said, give it a little pull. And I thought, you're not supposed to pull in yoga, but it actually was necessary and it wasn't painful. It worked. So you got to give it a little bit of a pull to get your foot up to bring the pinky toe side of that foot into the opposite hip crease. And then you're in Lotus. Aim to straighten your spine, allow the hips to relax, and breathe.